Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be installing a wig that I made a long time ago. It's the short bob body wave wig. And then see, I do it by machine or hand. Let's see, you guys. I did it by hand. It looks like, yep, I did it by hand. No clips, no combs, no nothing. Just the dome cap. This is going to be a very super install. And I use body wave hair, and I believe the hair is 8 inches because I really didn't want it long. And this was a long, it has to be over a year ago because I make stuff and then I forget about it and make something else. When you guys see I have my wig cap on already, you know what? Hold up. This is what I need to do. Let me put some of this on this where my part is gonna be. This is gonna be a super quick video, you guys, because I have like a business webinar to be on. Okay, that should cover up the part area. It could go center too, but when I had it in the center, I just did not like it. She no liked it. Cause she no liked it. Even. Oh, now let me put a little bit of that on my area. My part area again with this. And let me cut some of this lace off before I get to molding it down. This is the hard part for me doing this on camera, cutting the lace and stuff. Thank God this is only a 4x4 closure. Only. Gotcha. Now I'm going to spray it with some Eben Wonder Lace. You guys, this has been my best friend. I love it. I'm drying it on cool. I think I'll put one more little layer on. Turn around. I'm gonna put this around. Here's the one. Where's the one? Here is the one. Put this on. Lay this down. Yes, I did. I didn't. for baby hairs. Put this on for a few minutes. And I'm just figuring it to see what needs to be done. It's cool because this fits so perfect. The size wig cap I have is a 21-inch wig cap. What is bra strap? Ooh, irritating. 21 inches canvas head because my head is small. Yeah. And I'm going in with my Carrot hair. Waxed it. And now I'm going to go with my straightening comb. Straighten that a little bit. And that's that. I think I'm gonna go in and put some some mousse, and this is the Lot of Body mousse, you guys. To give it that wet, kind of sort of wet look, but not super duper wet. I need some more, don't y'all? Running out. You guys, I did absolutely, what did I do today? Did I do anything? Nope. I'm on a saving money tip, you guys, and I go through that from time to time, to where I haven't been eating out. And what else? I haven't been ordering supplies that I really don't need, because I was going to say, well, just in case, let me get this. Well, just in case. And when I cleaned my closet out in my beauty room, I had so much hair. And that's how I found the wigs that I had made. There's a few of them. One of them, I was getting ready to do, not do, but put on, and the customer said, I want that. I'm like, that's mine. She's like, but I want it. So I sold it. I'm trying to hurry because they said the webinar starts at 7 o'clock Eastern time. So I'm thinking, would it be 4 o'clock my time in Vegas? We'll see, you guys. We'll see. Now, I need a little bit more of this. That is looking kind of I'm And now for these baby hairs, since I'm rushing, ooh, squeeze too much hair out. I'm gonna use the Got to Be glue in the black one. Cause okay, now we gotta cut some of this for sure. Cause now other hairs wanna gang in on the fun, wanna get in on the fun. There's that one. Now let's see if this one cooperates as easy. It did, but it looks kind of like I should have something else going this way. Yeah. Let's see, y'all. Okay. I might be on to something today. Okay, maybe I need a little bit more of this. Dang on brushes at. Guys, this is gonna be it. I like it. Like I said, it had no clips, no combs, no straps, no nothing. I made it the perfect size for my head, and it ain't going nowhere. Well, it will if somebody try to pull it off because it don't have no security. But hey, it's comfortable, it's short, it's cool for this Las Vegas weather. Let me do a spin around for you guys so you guys can see the back. Look at that. And all the sides. This is cute. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. I told you guys it's going to be a very short video. And like I said, this is a wig that I made a long time ago. And it's I know it's body weight for sure. I couldn't tell you where I got the hair from because I made it so long ago. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And as usual, in closing, stay blessed.